Hi everyone, this is Mr. and Mrs. Vintage Typewriters. We're gonna be helping you on how to use an Imperial D typewriter. We're gonna be using the uncommon green frame 1927 Imperial D that we fully restored. To insert the paper, you release the lever here, push it inside, put it back, grip it back, and it pulls up. So then you release this lever and pull it up, and then it's all in. To adjust your paper, you release your paper grip and adjust it, and now it's all ready for typing. Okay, so the main options are the capitals, the figures, and if you want to lock them, you push this lever to the side, and when you want to release it, you push it back towards you. The backspace is a special lever on this side. It's a pinch lever. The red and blue, but red and black change of color, it's here. To change your margins, there's the right margin and the left margin. You press this bottom here and you can move it left and right, as you can see here as well, left and right. If you push it down, it can move left and right. For the return of the carriage, it's a pinch mechanism. You pinch it and it goes all the way to the left, as you can see. For line spacing, you push away. For every line, you push away. Okay, so that's nearly all the options used on this lovely item. And don't forget here your margin release, it's on the right side. Overall, it's a very nice machine. It's uncommon to be used or typed on, but this one is fully working and it types perfectly, and it's going to a new home now. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. Thank you.